Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the second of my series on articulated engines. If you missed the first one, it was the cab forward, which is this one over here. Today we're going to take a look at and talk about the Y6B, also an articulated engine. So I have it, just started it up. Normally I do a startup sequence, but I'm just starting right off with the engine running. Just gonna try the whistle and the bell. You can see the smoke generator. Already the smoke is looks like it's warmed up. So we're going to start it off slowly. I just love this articulated engine. I actually like it better than the big boy. I like the Y6B. This is a Broadway Limited Imports Y6B, unlettered. I'm going to go up to half speed, 63 speed steps. Looks pretty good. I'm going to put it in reverse so you can see the reverse light on the tender. The backup light, here we go, just came on. And it's backing up. Again at half speed. Smoke generator is pretty good. I haven't put smoke fluid in it recently, but it's going pretty good. I'm going to go full speed in reverse, and then I'm going to put it into forward when it comes back around closer to us. I'm going to put it in forward now. You could hear the brake sequence, it braking and slowing down. Stopped, and front light came on, and the sun is shining. It makes the smoke look really good, actually. And here we go, full speed forward. Let's run it around a couple times. It's actually pretty quick too. It's a lot quicker than the cab forward that I ran in the first of the articulated engine series that I'm doing. This is the second engine. I'm going to do a few more. Hopefully I can get them uploaded in the next couple days. And we're going to slow it down now so you can take a better look, take a closer look. And try and get it to stop in front of us. Perfect. This is really a beautiful engine. I have another one which is a bit older that is over here, that Norfolk and Western Y6B. I'm going to try running this later. This is an older Broadway Limited Imports engine. You can see the dust on it. I haven't ran it for a very long time. Cab number 2199. So stay tuned for that one. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe so you can see and get notifications of my next engines in the articulated series. And we're going to leave you with this one running. Usually I stop them and we do a shutdown sequence, but this time we're going to do something different. We're going to leave you guys with this one running. So let it run around the track a bit. And then when it comes around again, Let's blow the whistle. And we'll leave you. Thanks for watching.